Hello kids. Today let's draw a small ABCD with only one color, black color. But before this, please share, subscribe and like my channel. So let's start.
A for ant. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for inkpot. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.